Good morning grade 3 and welcome to the maths class. Children, today we are going to start a new topic, okay, that is on page 5, and our learning objectives is to order and compare whole numbers. But children, today we will focus only on one part, that is compare whole numbers. Okay, we are going to focus only on one part, compare whole numbers, and then we will move to ordering numbers. So, children, I just want you to look at this, okay? We are doing compare whole numbers. Ordering we will do next time. Now children, I just want you to tell me what signs will come here. For this, what sign we will have? The left side and right side we have equal numbers. So my sign will be equal to. Very good. Now come to the second one, children. Which side is less? The left side. And the right side is more. So which sign we will put, children? Lesser than. Okay, and finally we come to the third part. The left side is more and the right side is less. So which sign will I put? Okay, that was just a revision of your signs so that you are not confused. Now let's go to compare whole numbers. Okay. Compare whole numbers. Now children, when you have compare whole numbers and they give you a sum like this, okay? Now how do we read numbers, children? What did I tell you? We read numbers from left to right, okay? So now this is 7054 and this is 4139. So what will you do first is you will compare the thousands place. Now here we have 7 in the thousands place and here we have 4 in the thousands place. Now children, the 7 digit is greater or the 4 digit is greater? Yes, 7 digit is greater. So what will I write over here? I will write 7. Okay, and the sign will be greater than 4. Okay, so then what I say? Hence 7054 is greater than 4139. Okay, now let's move to the second example. Now children, look here again. We know our place value, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. Okay, now let's see the thousands place. Okay, when we are comparing, we start from the highest place. So the highest place over here is the thousands place. Now children, if you see here in the thousands place we have 9. Here also we have 9. Correct? So what will I write? I will say 9 is equal to 9 because the thousands place is equal. Now come to the next place, that is the hundreds place. Here I have 5 and here I have 3. So what can I say, children? I can say 5 is greater than 3. Correct? So when 5 is greater than 3, that means in the hundreds place, this digit is greater than this. 500 is greater than 300. So what answer will I write, children? Hence 9,500 42 is greater than 9359. Clear? Now let's move to the next example. The third example. Now children, look here very carefully. Okay? Again, first we compare the highest digit, that is the thousands place. Now here 8 and 8, we have 8 in the thousands place here, and here also we have 8 in the thousands place. So what should I write? 8 is equal to 8. Right? Now come to my hundreds place. 6 and 6. So this is also equal. The hundreds place is also equal. So now what do? I have to move to the next place. Okay. So I move to the next place, that is my tens place. Now here you see 3 and here you see 4. Okay. So 3, I have 3 here and 4 here. Now what sign, children, will I put over here? What sign should I put here? It is less. So it is less. So now what can I say about this number? 8630 is hence 8630 is less than 8642. Okay. So children, today what you are going to do is you are going to read this, okay, and what they have said over here is first compare thousands, then hundreds, then tens, and finally units. The same thing I did where I took 2 numbers. Here they have taken 3 numbers. After that children, which is the smallest 4-digit number? Yes, 1000. Very good. You have done in MindSpark. And the greatest number is 9999, the greatest 4-digit number. Okay. Now this activity children, you all can do it. You have to make cards and then you fill in this blank over here. Then you find your greatest number and your smallest number. Now for homework children, you are going to do, I want you to do exercise 2. This exercise, that will be your homework. Okay. So this is your homework. Only exercise 1. Sorry, question 1, exercise 2, that is on page 6. Only exercise 2, that is from A, small a to L. And children, I had given you this as your homework. So many of you have got this right. I am not going to discuss this again because it's the end of the topic and most of you have done it right. But of course in the broadcast I will put the answers. Very few children have not submitted. So those children, please hurry up. I will put these answers on the broadcast. That's all children. Thank you.